£20, 1/10 scale RC car on eBay. That's what we bought. That's what we're hoping for. It was listed as spares and repairs with broken steering and in a pretty dusty, kind of bashed up state. Let's see what we got. Immediately, signs are not good. It says it's 8.94 kilograms, which I can assure you this isn't. And also the fragile stickers are a nice touch, but maybe a little bit excessive for a toy remote control car. I would not class that as fragile. But anyway, it's a lovely box. It's been used sometimes in the past. So this car retails around £50 to £60 used on eBay. And brand new, you're looking about £70, £80. So if we can get one for 20, that's an absolute steal. Let's get inside and see. This is eBay. We might have even not got a car. We might just have an empty box. So let's have a look and see what we've got. Now this is a toy grade RC car, but we have some plans in the future how we're going to maybe make it just a little bit quicker and a little bit more exciting. Let's have a look what we've got in the box. These are huge scissors for this job, but it's all I've got. So slicey. Let's have a look. Oh, I've missed completely the mark. Oh, that's why it's not opening. Hey, we're in. Slice. Don't cut towards yourself. It's a really bad idea. Don't do it, kids. Thank you, scissors. Right, we're in. Let's see if we even got a car. Opening up. It looks like a fish and chip shop in here. That's good. I see a car. I see a rear wing. This is promising. Let's have a look. Oh, we do. That's pretty good, actually. Okay, we've not been scammed. We've not been scammed, but do we have the controller? Let's find out. Put that to one side. What else do we get in here? Oh, handset. Very nice. And let's have a rummage. Nothing else. Absolutely nothing else. I am disappointed. I wanted a bag of Haribos and a little thank you card. 1 out of 10 seller. Right. Gone. Let's have a look what we got. We got a handset, which has... Oh, that wobbles. That wobbles real good. That's high quality. And, of course, the main event. We have a Lando Norris liveried McLaren. I think it's the 2025 with these wheel fins here. Looks great. Looks in good condition. There's a little mark here maybe and a few scuffs at the front, but you drive it for 5 minutes and you're going to get that sort of damage anyway if you're driving it properly. Tires look fine. The detailing is amazing. Even this has survived, which is good. Camera's still on the top. That'll be useful. Everything seems kind of fine. I'm impressed it has a diff. It even has a diff at the back. Steering, which is apparently broken, seems fine to me. Let's have a look. Shall we see? I assume there's no battery in the box, so I assume the battery must just be in the car. Shall we just see what we've got? On with the handset. Cool, that's looking for the car. Great, let's turn the car on. Oh, I mean, that's something. That's something. Right, let's pop him down. Let's pop it on a rolling road, and by that I mean this this tape measure. Balance it like that. Hey! Forwards. Backwards. So let's see, steering. This is meant to be broken. Absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that's the opposite of a scam. We paid for broken and we got perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with this. Let's drive around the workbench, shall we? We can go back. Ah! The tape measure. Backwards. Oh, pretty good low speed control actually. It crashes well. Bits of table are flying off. Yeah, it's got a diff. Got a functional diff. Oh, that's a good smash. Anyway, so it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. Let's see how this goes outside, shall we? As you can see, it's not particularly fast. It turns like an F1 car, which is badly, but that's okay. That I allow for an F1 car. But the problem is, it's not fast. And F1 cars, I don't know if you're aware, are quite fast. So what I think we need to do is get inside and see what we can do about that. Let's have a look how this works, a little teardown, and see how they've managed to do this, because 50-60 quid for one of these, if you get it on sale, an accurate scale model like this, with a differential, with steering at the front, is a pretty good deal. It's a pretty good deal. Right. Off. My trusty iFixit screwdriver. Let's have a look in here. Let's have a look in here and get some screws out. Let's get these out. Hey, get out of here. You go over there. You go. Oh no. iFixit let me down. I'm gonna have to go my big old be quiet. Oh, that seemed tight. I wonder if someone's been in here before. I don't know. Because what I'd like to do is make this really fast. Okay. Oh, there we go. So what do we have? Is it LiPo? We have a 6.4 volt lithium ion rechargeable. Okay, lithium ion, okay. There we go. Okay, lovely, lovely. Okay, the battery is out. That's great. Let's put the handset to one side. Let's take out a few more screws from the underside. Come with me. Right, this is free. That's that rear diffuser gone. Let's have a look at the front. Oh, there's a... That's coming out there. Get rid of that. So this is nice. At the front, there's this bumper, which is removable, which is going to protect this really nicely detailed front wing from any head-on impacts. And as you can see, it's already done a good job of that. Nice, love to see it. Right, let's... Oh, look. You can do a nose cone change. Look at that. Look, you can replace the whole front nose if you smash that to pieces completely. Which, considering what we're going to do to it, there's a high chance that that's going to get absolutely smashed to pieces. Let's have a look, shall we? Right. So that's the front off, that's the back released. Oh, there's a screw there, I can see. That's an easy win. Let's get that out. I don't know what the order is here. I have no idea. There aren't any teardowns for this, so I'm just making it up as I go along. Taking out screws as I see them. So that's all the screws on the bottom gone. That's the screw. Oh, there's one at the back here. I missed that. Can't get in there with that screwdriver, so we'll have to default back to the iFixit. Okay. Okay, that's loose there. Okay, so that's loosened off the rear wing. Okay, that's all the screws I can see. Let's see. I guess it's clips, right? Everything these days is plastic clips. What was wrong with the screws? I don't know. Hey, okay. Oh, we're free. That comes out there. Oh, nice. Hey, okay. Oh, there's that shitty speaker wire. I really don't need that shitty speaker, that's for sure. Let me get rid of that. Right. That's that. That's the top body away. That's the inside here. Wow, look at that. Okay. How does this thing work? So that's your motor at the back in a kind of housing unit there. A couple of screws to take out there. I'm sure we can get that free. We have the battery void there. We have, I assume that's our brains unit in there. And we have a server. Oh, look, we have a full micro server at the front, which seems absolutely fine. I mean, you know, there's nothing that could really go wrong there. Gets its signal. The cable's in good nick. I don't think that's broken at all. Great. So let's get these last couple of screws out. I'm really interested in this rear assembly here. This all seems fairly fine and straightforward. I really want to see how this works at the back. Couple of screws here. Let's get these out and see. Right, we're free. Oh, okay. It just lifts right off. Kind of trying to. Okay, there's this kind of like middle piece, isn't there? Let's get these out. Let's take these out. There's this. Get away. There's this. Let's get away. Right, this is. Are you free? Yeah. Okay. This is free. And you're free. Hey, okay, so there's this kind of mid chassis. There's the top chassis, there's this mid chassis. They kind of go together over there. And then we've got this base chassis, which looks really nice. They've done an amazing job with the detailing on this. Right, I'm interested in the motor. Oh, this just comes out. Okay, great. That's just the unit with the wang. Can I get that off? It'd be nice if I could remove you without breaking you. Or is it glued in, do you think? Might be a detailing piece. Oh, it seems loose there. Oh, I don't know. Maybe? Oh? Maybe? Ah, we'll just leave it. Right, okay. Oh, screws coming free. Get over there. Okay. More screws coming free. Still get over there. Great. Motor with some stuff on it. Okay, this motor, this is great. This is just a self-contained drive unit, which is really nice. So that's just a really easy way of doing this for them, and it looks great for us as well. I guess the next thing I'm interested in is the tires.